Today there is a pile of $1 bills on my kitchen table. And after this lesson, my 6 and 7-year-old will be able to calculate profit faster than me. This is week 2 of our Little Entrepreneur series, and it's all about profit. The money you have left over after you pay for what you've sold. This is how we did it. Last week, our big word was trade. Swapping something you have for something you want. This week's big word is profit. The money left over after you pay for what you sold. Sounds simple, but our kids were about to learn that profit starts long before anything gets sold. Step 1, research. The kids became trend detectives, hunting for what's viral right now, the toys other kids are actually asking for. Their list? Squishy mystery dumplings, speck squeeze balls, and a Disney Attach Me set. If nobody wants what you're selling, there's no profit to count. Step 2, the deal hunt. Here's where they worked as a team, comparing the target price, what each toy sells for, against what we could buy it for. The bigger the gap, the better the odds of profit. And getting the toys took real work, figuring out when stores restock and standing in line to grab them before they sold out. Watching them strategize, that's the moment this stopped being a lesson and became a business. Now, the pile of ones on the kitchen table, the mystery dumpling sold for $8. So 8 $1 bills went on the table, but we paid $5 for it. So 5 ones come back off. What's left? $3. That pile is the profit. Then the big one, the Specs squeeze balls, sold for $21 and cost $15. $6 of profit. The biggest pile of the day. And here's the hardest lesson. To get money, you have to sell toys you actually like. Squeeze balls are fun, but the kids have a bigger goal. The Pokemon 30th anniversary sets. Giving up something you want now to get something you want more later? That's thinking like an entrepreneur. Sold toys don't ship themselves. The kids packed each order and dropped the packages at the post office because in a real business, the work isn't done until the customer has their toy. Then back to the kitchen table to count what was left in the pile. That's profit. And yes, we talked about loss too, because sometimes business doesn't work. But that's how we learn. Tell me down in the comments if you're going to try the dollar bill method with your children. What did they learn? What gaps do they have? And come back next week for our series on demand, where our children will pick and predict the toys that will sell best. See you at the chalkboard.